They asked me my name. My name was Al Smith. I changed it legally to Algorithm, Algorithm, because I do not use the algorithm class, I am the algorithm. People ask me, how did you get so good at this? Well, before auditing, I was top 3 in the Beanie Baby game, 1998. Then I moved product in the makeup tutorial space. I find the trend, son, I find it, and I train the people. Auditing is just my latest portfolio. Class, these are your power words. You cannot argue against freedom. You cannot argue against the Constitution. You just say them over and over till the man forgets what he even asked you. Freedom, Constitution, my rights. Freedom, Constitution, my rights. It don't gotta make sense, son. It just gotta keep coming. You kids know Mr. Beast? Let us just say, me and him, we have had a talk. Or two. I have said too much. There is an NBA. But that man takes notes is all I will say. Now, police class, police are the best content there is. You know why? Because they are filming you. That body cam, that is free B-roll, son. Broadcast quality. You just got to act. 2 cameras, 1 you. That class is called coverage.
Officer, am I being detained? Am I being detained?
No, sir. You are free to go.
The people will remember this day.
Now, after you act for their body cam, you go home and you FOI the footage. Freedom of information class, it is your movie now. But the paperwork is an art. So I brought in a specialist. They call him FOIA FRED.
People ask me, Fred, how does a FOIA's request actually work? Simple. You walk in and you say the word FOIA's. Then you say it again, FOIA's, FOIA's, 3 times, like a spell. Then you say the words Constitution, freedom, liberty, justice, First Amendment. Do not matter the order, really. Just say them all and say them with confidence. The building has to comply. It is the law. Probably.
The officer thinks this is over, but every second is being recorded. And this is all going in my FOIA request. Smile, officer. You are in my documentary now. Cooperative, for now.
And when they push back, you cite, son. Don't matter if it is real. You look them dead in the eye and say Heineck versus Tostada, 1962, a Budweiser late-night taco landmark case. You cite the beer you had last night and the food you ate, and you say it with your whole chest. They can't look it up fast enough. That is the law now, baby. Now, back in my day, class, you could just stand there and stare. That was the whole move, the silent stare. But these young folks today, they want content, angles, a narrative. The stare just don't monetize like it used to. Times change, son. Y'all think the aggression is the strategy. Nah, baby. The aggression is the mistake. You go at good people hot, they stay cool, they win, and you got nothing but a red face and a foam can you never even use. Nothing ever gets sprayed, son. Write that down. Now watch the switch. He crowds the man, he gets in the face, and then he says the other fella's aggressive. It's a bold move, son. It's also what not to do. Because the calm ones, they just leave. And you can't sell a man's back. All right, class, settle in. Because this Wednesday, we shut down a business. Not with a brick, with a camera and a real annoying attitude.
They tried to silence me today, but the camera never blinks. That is an Emmy. That is an Emmy right there.
They will call you crazy, class. They called me crazy. Then I changed my name to a search term. Now when they Google their rights, they find me. Go forth, be non-compliant, and always, always get the body cam footage.